Kia ora, I'm Hayley from Pacific Harvest, the edible seaweed specialists, and welcome to our Foodie Find series, where today I'm talking about agar powder. Now, if you are following a plant-based diet, you're probably very familiar with agar. It's traditionally used as a beautiful in the likes of cheesecakes or jellies. Lots of baking enthusiasts use this product widely, but it can also be used as an egg alternative, or if you follow a raw food diet, there's lots of opportunities to bring a little bit of agar into your life. The difference with Pacific Harvest agar is that our seaweeds are all ethically harvested. We don't work with any harvesters who are damaging or destroying the environment. Our seaweeds are also air dried to make sure that we preserve mineral density. And in agar's case, what a lot of our bakers are looking for, you can see it's a very clear colour. So we don't want the colour of the seaweed or the flavour of the seaweed to interfere with the recipe. Ours is a very bland flavour and clear colour. So that is one of the reasons why lots of our customers have told us this is the one to get. So please visit our website for recipe inspiration, pacificharvest.co. Lots of agar recipes there, but also a blog on working with agar. Agar does come in different formats, sheets, strips. We think working with the powder is easiest. And we have lots of customers who've tried everything and keep coming back to us. So we hope you do too, and you find ways to bring a little bit of agar into your everyday meals. Thank you.